Why aren't you smiling? Hear me when I say this, I'm aggressively sending you positivity today. What's up and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. Today is day 6. We have 2 more months left of 2023. What are you gonna do about it? Like, seriously, what are you gonna do about it? Oh, and can you do me a favor and like this video? Because I kind of want more people to join the challenge, I'm not gonna lie. For anyone who's new here, this is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day and give you something to look forward to. These last 2 months of 2023 are when it could get dark and scary. We know daylight savings literally just happened and the sun goes down at like 4 o'clock, which is so wild. But this is a way to keep light in your life and let you know that you are loved. So stay here, keep watching the videos, tapping in, because you deserve to have a calm mental state, okay? And nervous system. But diving into today's video, we have the song of the day is 44 minutes to 4. Angel walked up to my door. If you don't know this song, I'm sorry for you. This is Ways by Janae Aiko. Why aren't you smiling? Why aren't you smiling? To pick your brain for today, I want to know if you know someone who would benefit from something like this. I want you to share it with them. And also, I want to know why you're here. What brought you here, and has this challenge been helping you? We are 2 months in now. Technically 3, but I gave myself a little break, but we're 2 months in consecutively, and we're about to hit another month next month. So I want to know, what is this doing for you, if anything? Now let's move on into the affirmations. We're diving into where we left off yesterday. So you know the deal. Take 3 deep breaths, and on the 3rd one, make it be the deepest one you've taken so far for the day. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it deep. Inhale. And exhale. Okay. I am connected to my higher power. I see every situation as an opportunity for growth. I am able to see and act in alignment with my divine purpose. I open myself to new energy and experiences. I'm going to say that one again. I open myself to new energy and experiences. I am a present observer in my life. I seek to understand and learn from my experiences. Seeing and understanding the bigger picture comes naturally to me. Seeing and understanding the bigger picture comes naturally to me. I radiate love effortlessly. 2 more times. I radiate love effortlessly. Last time. I radiate love effortlessly. You look so beautiful today. I see you. Come on. I mean, I actually don't see you, but I know you're looking beautiful today. Promise. My life moves effortlessly towards my purpose. My life is moving effortlessly towards my purpose. With each day, from sunup to sundown, I feel renewed. With each day, from sunup to sundown, I feel renewed. My energy is being restored and refreshed. My energy is being restored and refreshed. Moving into crown chakra affirmations. I honor the divine within me. I don't think you meant that. Let's say it again. I honor the divine within me. That feels better. I am open to new ideas. I am open to seeing my life through different eyes. I allow the world to be my teacher. Information that I need comes to me easily. I am living in the present moment. I am a spiritual being in a human body. With each day, I get closer and closer to my dreams. Closer to my dreams. Sorry, I had to. I am connected with the wisdom of the universe. And you are. I am an extension of the universe. And the universe is kind and loving. I am an extension of the universe. And the universe is kind and loving. Just like you. I am open to letting go of my attachments. My mind is clear, and I am seeing everything in a new light. My mind is clear, and I am seeing everything in a new light. Whenever I wake up, I become a new, better version of myself. Whenever I wake up, I allow myself to walk in a higher version of myself. This is when my brain is working too fast. I am worthy of love and compassion. I am guided by a higher power and inner wisdom. I am honoring my internal strength because I am stronger than I know. I have yet to see what life has to offer for me. And so, I am extending grace and patience to myself to be able to see what life has to offer me. I love every part of me. I love every part of me. One last time, we're gonna say it like we mean it. I love every part of me. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for spending some time with me today out of your busy day. I know today is probably, you had so much to do, but you made it here and I am so happy. you're gonna see over the next 30 days, over the next 60 days, however long you stay here working with me, you're gonna feel a difference in your spirit, in your energy, in your soul. And I can't wait to see what that looks like for you. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.